everybody, my name is Corinne Fox. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a very short dance tutorial from the song We're All in This Together from High School Musical. If you guys are watching this as one of my students for the musical audition, this dance tutorial will show you 4 counts of 8 or a 32 count, yeah, that math is right, 8 times 4, it's a 32 count combination that you need to learn for your dance audition. If you are just watching this tutorial for funsies, welcome, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so first things first, High School Musical. My school has purchased the rights to produce High School Musical, the one-act version by Musical Theater International, and that information is down below. I do not own the rights to the choreography, I do not own the rights to the song. This is just being done for educational purposes. All right, so if you are here learning this for the dance audition, we're gonna go ahead and get started. If you can see what I am wearing, you're gonna notice that I'm not in any sort of special dance attire. I'm not in any fancy dance shoes. I'm not even in a dance studio. I'm literally in the attic of my house. I'm on a carpeted floor. I'm wearing fuzzy socks that have little cat faces on them. I'm in sweatpants. I am in my PFHS drama sweatpants, by the way, which will be on sale in January. And I am just in ordinary, regular, what I call street clothing. This choreography combination is not difficult, it is fast, but it is not technically difficult. And so you don't need any sort of fancy shoes, fancy clothes. You don't even need to be in a fancy space. You just need to be in a space where you can move around a little bit. If you can go like this and not hit anything, you're good to go. So if you can find a space like that in your bedroom, in your kitchen, in your garage, outside, in a park somewhere, when it's not too chilly outside, you're good to go and to do this in whatever space is best for you. Don't forget, you're going to be tacking on this dance video to the end of your video audition. So you're going to have your vocal audition at the beginning. You'll have your monologue reading in the middle, or in whatever order, it doesn't actually matter. And then you're going to have this dance audition at the end. Put all of those together in one video and then upload that to the video submission folder, which is available on our Schoology page. All right, without any further ado, here we go. The music is linked below, and you're gonna wanna start at 2 minutes and 35 seconds into the song, right when they get to that upbeat part where they're like, Wildcats, sing along, yeah, you really got it going on. Wildcats, words I don't know, everybody, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that part of the song. Of course, now you can tell exactly from my amazing singing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, it's 4 counts of 8. So the first count of 8, and really pretty much the first 3 counts of 8, all start with a claw step. And so we're all Wildcats, right? We're Wildcats of East High School in High School Musical. And so we're gonna claw to the right, and then we're gonna claw to the left. Oh, by the way, if you are following along, if you are mirroring me for your dance audition, that is totally fine. I'm going to give you the instructions from a right-left perspective, from a right-leaning perspective. And you will eventually need to learn the choreography for the show from a right perspective, but if you learn it for the audition from a left perspective, I probably won't even notice in the audition, so feel free to mirror me as we're doing it instead of trying to like reverse it in your brain, because I know I would have difficulties doing that. Okay, here we go. So first 2 counts, Wildcats, or if you're thinking of it in terms of 8 counts, it's 1, 2, okay? After that, so it goes 1, 2. Now we're facing our left. We have our left foot free. The majority of our weight is going to be on our right foot here. And so we're going to look to the right, which is like a quarter turn towards stage left, if we're using, proper stage terminology here. And we're going to jump back like this, and we're going to kind of do like a little fake dab with our hands. Our elbows can be bent, our hands are nice spread wide out. And we're going to jump onto our right foot, and we're going to bring our left foot up and bring it down right away. So that's on count 3. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to face front, and we're going to do the same thing, jumping on our left foot and bringing our right knee up, and our hands are going to come up like this, like 4, 5, 6. Yeah, here we go. 5, 6. Okay, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the last 2 counts of 8, we're just gonna go 7, 8. We're cheering our Wildcats on. I don't know what it is they're doing. I guess High School Musical is all about basketball, right? Which is very appropriate because our school has a really awesome basketball team too. And so we can go 7, 8. We're pumping our left foot here, we're stamping it down, and we're cheering with our left hand here. 7, 8. All right, that's the whole first count of 8. Let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 1 down, 3 to go. Next count of 8. Starts off the same way. 1, 2. All right, then we're coming back to the middle, and we're gonna have both of our feet shoulder length apart in like a parallel second position. If you want to use, again, ballet terminology, you can have your knees slightly bent or in a plie, and you're gonna come down, and then you're gonna bring your right foot up behind you and bring it back and kick, just like a little bit of a kick. It's actually very, very fast. And your left, this is my right, your right arm is gonna come up across to your left shoulder. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's actually very, very fast. So that much again is 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Then 5, 6, we're gonna bring our arms up and down, and then point and point. That's the second count of 8. So that whole thing goes like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, let's put the first 2 counts of 8 together. Look at that, we're halfway done already. Easy peasy. The entire combination is literally 15 seconds. So it's gonna be one of the easiest dance combos you'll ever do. Maybe. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, great job so far. 2 more counts of 8 to go. Here, all right. This third count of 8 is the last time we do this move. Okay, so we're doing that one more time with wild cats. Now we're gonna bring our arms up and swing them. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, because the words are something like wild cats. I don't know what the words are. I'm so bad with lyrics. Okay, but it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the words are raise your hands up in the air. And so we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So arms here, then here, and really make sure that you do the here and then swing them out. And you really want your rib cage to kind of react to that move when you go 1, 2, out, in, out. So really make that, if you think of a jazz contraction, Fosse, style of contracting, you really want that to see that out, in, only it's crazy, crazy fast. And then up, up, swing it around. And you really want your arms to be nice and strong up there. You don't be like, yay, 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 yay. Because then the audience isn't going to be excited either. And the song happens at the Act 1 finale, and then also the very finale of the show, which are 2 really, really high energy moments of the show. And so you really want to give that audience something to cheer along with and to be engaged in. You can, if you want to, march at the same time that you're doing that last step here at the last count of 8. So you go here, here, and then you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can keep time with your feet if you want to. I find that half the time I try to keep time with my feet, and then half the time I don't. I don't personally have a preference. Really, my personal opinion is that if you have an audience that is so bored with whatever it is you're doing on stage that they end up watching your feet, you're doing something wrong. There's something going on. There's something wrong with your face. And so if you are just having a great time and you are so engaged and so into whatever it is you're doing, the audience isn't going to even notice your feet, and that's the way we want it, okay? So this third count of 3 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, third count of 3. Let's put those first 3 together, all 3 that start with this rar, rar clawing step. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we are so close to being done. Only one more count of 8 left. And that one, we've just done raise your hands up in the air. Now we're gonna bring both of our arms down. Again, our feet are still shoulder length apart. And we're gonna stick our left arm out. And then we're gonna wind it in and bring it down. And then wind it back out again, okay? And then go up, down, sweep, 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 sweep. Why I just called that move sweeping? I have no idea. That's the word that came to me right then and there. Okay, let's go over that count of 8. So we're gonna take our left arm, we're gonna bring it out, and then we're gonna wind it in. So practice that just here for a minute. Your hands are in a fist, and you're gonna bring it, scoop it in, and then bring it down. Try that, scoop it down. Again, scoop it down. And then you're gonna bring it right back up. So whatever you just did, you're gonna do the reverse of it. So here, sweep and down, excuse me, and then bring it back up. All right, so it's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3. That's the first 3 counts. Again, 1 and 2 and 3. And then it's gonna go up and down. And then you're gonna make a full rotation over your right shoulder, over it like this. And you're gonna take your hands, palms up, and you're gonna pulse them up like this. And then you are going to plant your right foot and then use your left foot to pivot like this around. Okay, so the ball of my right foot is going to stay on the ground, and then I'm like jump and turn and turn and turn. Only it's really fast. So it's gonna go pump, pump, here, here, here. And then that's it, that's the entire thing. So let's go over that last 8 count again real quick. Then we'll put the whole thing together. We'll do the whole thing really slowly with just my counts, and then we'll do the whole thing faster with my counts, and then we'll do it to the music a couple times, and that's it, you guys. Then it's gonna be on your own to record it, and then submit it with your audition. Okay, that last 8 count, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I know that last part's a little bit confusing because you're like, do my legs come up and then down? It's when you hear it in the music, you're like here and down and up. You're like, come on, you're like, come on, like, yeah, down and up and up and up. You're just kind of, watch out, don't hit the wall behind you. You're just kind of like, really like come on, like really just trying to get the audience engaged and excited, and everyone is just super, super high energy, and you're doing your best to like get everyone involved in this whole big dance party that's going on here. Okay, all right, let's put that whole 8 counts together. I'm sorry, the whole 32 counts, 4 counts of 8 together, nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. Yay! We did it. Okay. One more time, nice and fast, because that was the slow part. And if you're having trouble picking up on some of the steps, pause the video, go back, rewind, break it down to the individual places where you're still having trouble, and then speed it up when you think you're ready, okay? Okay. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. That's the whole thing. All right, you guys, water break, and then we'll play it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, you guys. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, you guys. That's it. We're all done. It's like I said, it's 15 seconds. It's super fast. 4 counts of 8. That's all it is. If you need to go back over it again, rewind the video, watch it again, go over the individual parts, so that way you can give your best showing. All right, you guys, I cannot wait to see your auditions. I'm super excited. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.